Can you remember the 4 zones of regulation from last week? What are they? What would somebody look like if they were in each zone? Pause the video here and remind your adult or think carefully in your head about these questions. Last week we looked at spotting our feelings and the feelings of other people. We looked at identifying which zone we are in, and we also looked at how to use zones check-ins with our adults to get back to the green zone. This week we're going to think about different tools we can use if we are in each zone. This will help us to be more independent with regulating or managing our feelings. So we're going to think today about how we can use tools to manage our feelings when we're in each zone. The blue zone tools help wake up our bodies, make us feel better and give us more focus. You could listen to music, especially upbeat music, something that you could dance to, something that's really going to get your body woken up again. Jumping jacks, doing those on the spot, and any kind of exercise would be really good if you're in the blue zone and you just want to wake up. For instance, you could go for a walk around your garden or just around your house. Our yellow zone tools will help us get more control and calm ourselves down. One of the yellow zone tools is listening to music, but in this case it would need to be something calming like classical music. Another tool is your inner coach. This is where you say positive things and encouraging things to yourself in your head. So you might say, "You can do it." You might need to talk to an adult about how you're feeling. And finally, you could carry out a calming sequence. So this calming sequence goes like this. You start by squeezing your hands together. That's the first picture in each row. Then you close your eyes and rub your head. Then you rub your legs. You repeat the sequence 5 times and this should bring your stress levels down. Why not give it a go? Here are some more ideas for yellow zone tools. You could play a puzzle. You could draw or do some painting. You could research some origami tutorials and learn how to make paper animals. You could play with some Play-Doh or modelling clay. You could read. I really like to do colouring in when I'm feeling stressed. Our red zone tools are really important to help us to stay safe and to start to calm down. One of the tools is to take a break somewhere on your own, somewhere safe and calm and quiet. You could also do some deep breathing. This helps for the yellow zone too, but some deep breaths in, hold and then exhale. You can count objects around you. For instance, you could say, "I can see," and then list 5 things. "I can hear," and then list 5 things. Another calming strategy if you're in the red zone is to trace around the fingers on your hand, like in the video. Doing this slowly will really help you stay safe and start to calm you down. You can repeat any of these tools over and over again until you start to feel calm. Finally, the green zone tools. They just help us to stay calm if we already are, stay focused if we already are, and help us stay feeling good. So you can just carry on with whatever you're normally doing. If you're in the green zone, you'll be able to listen to instructions and talk with other people. So the task for this week is to create a zones toolkit. You might be able to do this on your own, or you might need help. It will depend how old you are and how confident you are with doing these things on your own. Your toolkit can have some of the tools we have learned about in this video, or tools you like to use at home to get back to the green zone. There will be a Key Stage 1 and a Key Stage 2 example for you to look at. For Key Stage 1, we'd like you to draw pictures of your tools. It could be a picture of you using your tool. That's what I've done in my example. Key Stage 2, if you want to write a list of tools on the lines, as many as you can think of, and then you could add some illustrations to make it a little more exciting. Then you can use this toolkit to help you get back into the green zone if you're feeling blue or yellow or red.